Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we're back in Puglia to get my stitches out and also to check on the status of the renovations of our main office, our Super Savvy office here in Puglia, which is exciting beyond belief. So we're really thrilled about that. But I thought I'd check in with you today because, as we live here, as we have a lot of friends coming and clients and things like that, we see some things. And I thought I would give you the most important thing that you really need to do once you kind of are settling in to your residency and that sort of thing. As you know, when you get residency or citizenship, the police come around to make sure you're there and everything else. But before that even happens, the best thing to do once you arrive is go and meet your local police and your local authorities, the mayor. Many of these guys are very excited to meet you and chit chat a little bit with them, get in a communication with them. And it really goes a long way towards smoothing the whole process. In addition, unfortunately, there have been a couple situations where there have been like neighborly disputes and that sort of thing. And having somebody in an authority position who knows you, knows you're a good person, knows you're trying to do the right thing, can be very valuable and can really help you resolve those disputes. I'm going to go into that in a little more detail on the Patreon channel with some examples and things like that. So if you want to go join Patreon, I'm going to get into the details there, which I don't feel comfortable sharing here because they are personal stories and that sort of thing. But anyway, that is the best thing to do. Go and get to know the authorities, get to know the police, really get to know everybody. And somebody will have a very hard road if they're trying to make things difficult for you in your town or village once you've already done that. So there you go, guys. Hope you never have to deal with it. It's very much not a huge thing. It's not something that happens to everybody or happens all the time or anything like that. But just like everywhere, there are certain people who will try to take advantage of a situation, and it's best to have some good people on your side if that ever happens. Take care, guys.